So here we have another amazing question, and that is, does anyone here do Google Ads for non-profit? I have a client running a non-profit organization certified to do Google Ad grants. However, our campaigns are not spending on any keyword themes we use. We follow the structure that needed to be done for Google Ad grants, but still we had no luck in getting our ad account to push more ad spend. Okay, for those who don't know, Google Ad Grants is basically a program created by Google Ads for NGOs, non-profitable organizations, and for that they allow to use you to use $10,000 per month, but that can only be used for Google Search, not for Google Display or other Google platforms, and you have an option to pay maximum $2 per click. So that is the limitations, and for those who don't know, all you have to do is just go on Google and write Google Ad Grant, or you can write Google Ads for non-profit as well. Either is workable. So let's say we write Google Ads for non-profit. You can see over here this Google Ads Grant, free grant ads for Google, and but you have to get certifications and approvals from relevant authorities in your country to apply and get started. And once your account gets approved, as I told you, that you have $10,000, and you have a maximum option of CPC $2 per click. And again, you can only use this one for Google Search, not for other Google platforms like Google Display or other things as well. So it's a slight limitation, but it's still a very good deal for anyone who is looking to work out as an NGO, because NGOs are not profitable entities and they do not have budget to spend on these things. So it's a very good offer by Google running out. Okay, so as far as your question is that our companies are not spending on any keyword, rather we follow the structure. So my suggestion would be that if it's a brand new campaign, so or a new account, so we all know that it goes under review. So you have to be patient over here, because review by their team takes time, and it's a manual review probably, so it can take around 2 to 3 days. So you have to be patient over here. In case if it takes longer, then it's you have to worry on. But if it's fine, you can wait for 2 3 days. Now my second suggestion would be to check out probably your keywords. I mean keywords, ads, location setting. Are you targeting the right location? You have a location, you have an ad campaign running without a location. Budget setting, you have to go through all these things, and then timing schedule. So check out on these things, so you guys have an idea and you are going with everything right. Once you check all of these things and you are certain that you do not have any issue, and you also are certain that you have crossed 2 3 days and still you are not then I will suggest you another thing, and that is that you have to review on your competitors and find out if you are triggering their keywords, or look out on the keywords if your keyword are being searched. And there is an icon along with the keyword. Let me show you with the one opening by one of the account. So let's say we are in an account, and what you have to do, you have to go into the keywords of your account and check the status of your campaign. Like in case if it's showing that an ad is not showing right now, it means that your quality score is less, or you have a low rank, or your account is under review. So in case if it's due to like this, in this scenario, that the new ad due to a low ad rank, so what you can do over here is to optimize your campaign structure, have better campaigns, create ad extensions, create more relevancy, and focus on your landing page to have more relevancy, so that you can run your ad. So this is the formula, not only for Google Ads for NGOs grants, but rather for any Google campaign. This formula works very well, so focus on that. So here I'm gonna say quality score, low ad rank can also be a cause of concern. So figure out these things, and still if it's if it remains still over there, then you have to do is you have to call to the support on ask the support on why it's happening. So then the support can help you. Even we can help you. I run a Google Ads partner company. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing certified, and we provide different SEO and Google Ads solutions. So in case if you are looking for assistance, we can help you, and the details are in the description of this video on how you can work with us, so we can help you and get it sorted for you guys without any issues and without any trouble, so you can run your ads on your own. I hope you like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see videos like these. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.